A big concern when meeting someone new is how to make a good impression. Well, here are our top 7 conversation tips to help you achieve that during your coffee chat. This is a great way to keep the conversation moving and avoid any awkward roadblocks. It may be the difference between asking, "Do you like your job?" versus, "What do you like most about your job?" Sharing common ground can be a great way to kickstart the conversation, and it's much easier for someone to talk at length about something they're genuinely interested in. Understanding how different elements affect everyone in the business shows leadership skills and the desire to work towards a common goal. Be willing to open up and share, but more importantly, keep the focus on them. Ask questions about their hobbies and interests, and be ready to listen. Vulnerability and honesty are traits that people admire, so never be ashamed to share when you don't know something. A coffee chat says way more about you as a person than it does about what you know. Sometimes we get so caught up in pleasing the other person that we forget to be authentic and genuine. Be yourself and be intentional with what you say because your values are reflected in what you share. A certain amount of lightheartedness and transparency can ease tension and nerves. Be sure to smile. A little comic relief will keep the conversation upbeat and moving along nicely.